we currently have the best selection of 4x4s available. Now this one is a 21 registration, Land Rover Discovery, new generation, what they call the D300, which is a 300 brake horsepower, dynamic SE, so it's fully loaded. In the Santorini black with a full black styling pack on, with only 3,000 miles on. Today with the life pricing, this car is 71,990. We're always banging on about you can't get cars. Now we are very fortunate to be able to stock cars like this, where you can physically buy and collect the same day. Another big thing for us right now is we are getting super organized with the business, and we are now fully prepping the vehicles. So if you do buy a car like this, you can actually come and collect it the same day, which is awesome. And you know what? When the cars are this new, this beautiful, with such low miles on, they're immaculate anyway. Now this one being a new generation car, you've got the new style grille, the black styling pack gives the badges, the inserts, the side vents, the new style headlights with the LED daytime running lights and the full adaptive LED headlights. You've then got the full 360 view camera system, so that's the front camera, the side cameras and rear cameras. The quality on the cameras are absolutely brilliant. You've then got the triple slats in the front bumper there. The front apron all colour coded, and the bottom section, which is the front fog light, is also LED. Now on this one, you've got the upgraded 21-inch high gloss black wheels. Again, that beautiful turbine look on it. All the colour coded arch kit with a park assist, so the car doesn't do parallel parking on its own. You've then got things like the fixed side steps, the dynamic badges, the Discovery side badges there, black window surrounds, comfort access to get in and out of the car. And then this one has the configuration of the beautiful twin leather interior, which is ivory and black. But if you look at the perforated seats now in the new additions, they're just absolutely beautiful. But it's just comfortable, super luxurious. You've got the new dashboard, the new steering wheel. So again, very modern, very easy to use. Apple CarPlay, I mean, that media screen is huge. Dual zone climate control, heated seats, and this being the dynamic SE, you have the twin glass roof, and the first one is tilt and sliding all the way back. Meridian sound system, the extended leather on the door cards, which is very nice and soft to feel. Electric seats, driver and passenger with memory seats as well. You've also got lumbar support and other adjustments. All the fully fitted carpets front and rear. Full leather in the back with the USBs, 12-volt sockets. On the seat, back of the seat, you've got the socket holder where you can put different adapters in there. Centre armrest comes down. That rear seat also reclines ever so slightly just to give you a better seating position. But in black with that interior with 3,000 miles on, the D300. This is an amazing car. Cracking space. LED style rear lighting system. The new lights, because they've changed now as well. I've mentioned that on a previous video. Obviously the car has no damage. There's no scratches, no dinks, nothing like that. This back shelf here pops down when you press this button here. And then the suspension button is just there where you can lower the suspension. If you have got pets, for example, or if you want to sit on the back of here, you can press this button. It lowers the back end down, just makes life a lot easier. The middle row seats just go down by pressing them. So you literally can do that and it rolls back, or do this and it goes all the way forward. So it's easy to use. If you wanted that extra boot space, you want to put something really big in there, it makes the car massive. Now remember, these are a 7-seat vehicle, so the third row seating now are a lot bigger, which is these 2 seats here. And to pull out, literally, you pull the handle and it lifts up. Obviously with the tonneau cover being there, I can't show you that right now, but I'm sure if you have watched our other videos, you'll know they're so easy to use. There's nothing involved there at all. Press that button, it closes up. You've got the new style rear diffuser, as in the rear bumper. It's all colour coded, a bit more chunkier, so it looks presentable. Again, with the sporty looks of the rear spoiler, the car's fabulous. You've then got lane departure warning system on this one as well, so that'll flash away if you're changing lanes on the motorway. Your electric windows and mirrors are just there. I'll squeeze myself in. And then you've got the new style steering wheel. I love that lovely aluminium metal finish to it all. The 4-spoke steering, cruise control, lane assist, multifunctional steering wheel with the voice control as well. Push button start, and the first thing you notice, if I just whisper, is the engine is super quiet. What a difference it makes, and the drive beautiful. You get better running cost. Obviously with 300 horsepower, they're very powerful, and this is a big car. Yeah, it's a 7-seater, but you get lots of sort of window. I mean, it's the vision from sat up here is brilliant. You're on top of the world. Full digital dash where the navigation is displayed. You can configure the dials. You can have twin dials. You can literally pick and choose what you want to see in front of you. With regards to media system, first and foremost, just to show you the 360 camera system, which is very clear, and you've got 3D effect as well. You can pick and choose what angle you're at. If it's a curb, so you don't scratch your wheels. The front corner, if there's anyone there. but then you've also got off-road cameras as well. So again, you can do what you want with it. It is genuinely miles ahead of anything else. Your different apps and different data that is available on the car, the seats, the climate. I mean, it's mega. And you've got different temperatures. You can go really hot, or just warm. Your drive, so this is a different shifter now, that's all changed. So you've got drive, neutral, and you've got reverse, and you press the P button to park it. The different drive modes, if you pop that up there, you can then choose. If you want comfort program selected, you can have the grass, gravel, snow, you can have mud and ruts. Let's get rid of that. And then you've got literally different options on a different driving pattern. I think this car is absolutely stunning. 71,990 with 3,000 miles on, in the D300, with the spec, the colour combination, with the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty, just absolute peace of mind. My name's Joe, my name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text, they're more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching, bye bye now.